Hi, my name is Daniël Hogendoorn. I am a senior strategist at the municipality of Amsterdam. From September, I've started my policy fellowship at the Institute of Advanced Studies, and I will be here for the coming academic year, so running from September 2024 until June 2025. So in my day-to-day life, I'm a practitioner. I work on the long-term planning of Amsterdam to get within planetary boundaries, so by the circular economy, climate change adaptation, energy transition, and biodiversity. I don't do this alone. I do this with many colleagues, many specialists on all these themes in a team, in a department, in the municipality as a whole. It's a huge, complex organization, but my role is to tie together these different strands and think from first principles and from the long term how to get within planetary boundaries. What I've noticed in the past 2 years since I started this job is that it's not just a matter of thinking in spatial planning terms or thinking about how to get more money for a particular transition, but in order to get into planetary boundaries, we also have to rethink the methods by which we make financial decisions internally. So our investment practices, our accounting practices, and our ways of making budgets. These are fundamental things to any municipal government. And what I want to think about here at IAS is how can I think in a more scientific, rigorous way about this, so that we can rethink these things, not just for Amsterdam, but for all urban systems, since I think that urban systems are one of the main drivers for the Anthropocene.